Hello, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So today we'll be looking at higher order derivatives. So the concept behind higher order derivative is just like differentiating or finding our derivative multiple times, right? Now look at what I mean. If you are given f of x equal to y, the first derivative here is f prime of x equal to dy dx. This is the first derivative. The second derivative here will be f prime prime of x equal to the square y over the x square, right? Then the third derivative also will be what? F prime 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 of x equal to d cube y of the x cube. Then if you continue this, you get what? Fn of x equal to d n power n over d x power n. That means differentiating till the n times. Differentiating, finding our derivative multiple times. This is just the concept behind higher order derivative. Example, if you are given that if y equal to x power 4, find the fourth derivative or maybe the fifth derivative, right? Now the fifth derivative here will be what? Solution. Dy dx equal to 4x power 3, right? Then the second derivative will now be what? The square y over the x square equal to d over the x. Differentiating this again the second time. This is what it means, right? So what is our dy dx? This is our dy dx. So differentiating it the second time, we have 12x power 2, right? Then if you have to differentiate it again, you have this over the x power 3 equal to d over the x. Differentiating this second derivative. Then if you differentiate this again, you have what? 24x, right? Then the fourth derivative now becomes the fourth derivative now becomes d power 4y the x power 4 equal to d over the x d power 3 y over the x power 3 equal to, if you differentiate this again, you have what? 24, right? Then the fifth now becomes d over the x. Differentiating this fourth one another time, right? It is equal to 0. As simple as that. This is just the concept behind higher order derivative. Differentiating multiple times, more than one time, right? So now another example. If you are given if y is equal to 3x power 5 plus 2x power 3 minus 5, find the fourth or maybe the third derivative, right? Solution. Now to get the third derivative here, you have that our dy dx, first our dy dx is 15x power 4 plus 6x power 2, right? Minus 0. You can decide not to add the 0. Then the second derivative now is d square y over the x square equal to d over the x. That means differentiating y with respect to x another time. If you differentiate this whole thing again, you have what? This time this subtract 1, you have 60x power 3 plus 12x, right? Then the third derivative is d power 3y over the x power 3 equal to d over the x d square y over the x equal to, differentiate this again, you now have 180 x power 2 plus 12. As simple as that. So this is just the concept behind higher order derivative.